Hi, this is Mrs. Ballard, and today's lesson is going to be on reviewing measures of central tendency and spread. We're basically going to do some calculations today. I am going to probably turn the webcam off because I flipped my computer and you don't want to see up my nose or at the ceiling. So just know when you watch these videos, if I am not on screen, I am still here. You are hearing my voice. So the first things you're going to do always when we do a lesson is you're going to write down the essential question, which I did not label that very well. This is your essential question right there. And then you're going to also write down your I can statement. So today our essential question is what are mean, median, interquartile range, and standard deviation? And then the things you should be able to do by the end of the lesson is I can calculate the mean, median, interquartile range, and standard deviation of the data set. I am going to be breaking the video into about 4 very small videos, so there's one video for each calculation. So the first one's going to be a little longer because I'm blabbing right now, but the other ones should be pretty short. The standard deviation calculation does take a bit of time, but hopefully so no snow, you have to watch 4 videos by the end, okay? All right, I'm going to go ahead and flip my screen and turn off the webcam piece. Okay. So we're going to start with calculating the mean. So we're given a data set right here, and I believe there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers in the data set. It's important to know how many numbers are in your data set because you're going to need it for both your mean and your median calculations. So mean is basically the average. We've been doing this calculation for a really long time. So you add up all the numbers and you divide by the total number of numbers. Remember when we're doing these videos, you can always pause it and write down whatever you need to write down. So I'm not going to talk super slow. I'm just going to talk normal and you guys can write it down or rewind as you need to. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add all these numbers up. So I'm going to take 64 plus 48 plus 75 plus 90. You may use a calculator to do your arithmetic. Plus 83 plus 74 plus 75 plus 62 plus 58 plus 87. I'm going to add them up and get a total. So when I add those numbers up, I get 797. Then I'm supposed to take that and divide that 797 by the total number of numbers. So I'm going to divide it by 11. When I divide it by an 11, I do get a decimal point. We get 72.455. And then this is, you always do 3 decimal places for me. So even if it doesn't say 3 decimal places rounded, okay. But don't do your rounding until you're at the very end of the problem. That'll make more sense when we see standard deviation. But that's your calculation of mean. So this is your mean value.